Simplicity is the attitude that best describes our people.
Mein Name ist Andreas Hampe.
My name is Andreas Hampe. I'm the product development team leader, and we develop the products of tomorrow.
About 30 engineers, researchers, and entrepreneurial minds work together in Interroll's Innovation Projects and Development Center near Düsseldorf, the IPDC.
Wir versuchen, die besten Produkte.
We try to develop the best products we can, and the only way to do that is test, test, and test again.
Started as a small workshop more than 10 years ago, the IPDC today is a truly global incubator for innovation, material research, project management, and technical consultancy.
Mein Name ist Anja Hoffmann und mein Job bei Interroll ist, Sachen so lange zu testen, bis sie kaputt gehen.
My name is Anja Hoffmann, and my job at Interroll is to keep testing things until they break, to find out why they broke, and then to work on making sure it doesn't happen again. Our experts cover all relevant areas of software, mechanics, motor technologies, and electronics. They work hand in hand with the global product management, customers, and international research institutes. Here, Interroll's climate of excellence can be found everywhere. In 3 distinct streams, the teams are researching, developing, and testing.
Mein Name ist Daniel Schank. Ich bin Softwareentwickler.
My name is Daniel Schank. I'm a software developer. The main difference between research and development is that our work is basically open-ended. In other words, we examine circumstances, technologies, materials, methods, and algorithms.
My name is Yuping Yu.
My name is Yuping Yu. I'm an electronics engineer and I work in our development department. I'm responsible for supporting electronic development projects, like the power supply for the DC platform.
Mein Name ist Alexander Hartmann. Ich bin zuständig für den Bereich.
My name is Alexander Hartmann, and I'm responsible for electric drive technologies. We want to ensure that our products have a long service life. We want to ensure that our products work. After all, it's not for nothing that we at Interroll emphasize the aspect of proven.
The mission is clear. Our customers rely on the best possible solutions for their business, so we keep improving. As a proven technology leader in this industry, Interroll globally stands for superior efficiency, lowest total cost of ownership, and a very fast return of investment. Our customers enjoy the smart and oftentimes genius solutions. Interroll provides highest accuracy, performance, and durability in an environment that really can be exhaustive, heavy-duty, and exposed to difficult conditions. Interroll is a trendsetter and wants to stimulate the market with key innovations that enable growth.
Wir begleiten die Entwicklung von der Idee.
We support a product's development from the initial idea to its final realization, from testing and prototype production to serial production and the series launch as well.
Our platforms are available worldwide, and the modular concept guarantees a future-proof installation. The applications will always be safe, flexible, and open for all possible interfaces.
Basically, Interroll believes in simplicity.
We take responsibility for a system architecture of products and solutions that make us the first choice for material handling projects around the world.
Es gibt kein Ende und es gibt
My work is never done, and the product that can't be improved hasn't been invented yet. It's all thanks to this team that deeply digs into material research, never compromises on professional testing, uses the latest technology, and is frantic about uncertainties.
Also ich bin stolz darauf, mein Projekt vom
I'm actually quite proud to be able to support my project from start to finish and see that our customers are satisfied with the product. Innovations have to provide benefits that last. to verify this is the ultimate goal of the IPDC, Interroll's global hub for innovation, research, and testing. This team is driven by the curiosity of a child, but works according to serious engineering standards, and sometimes even adds some magic. I take care of the impossible right away. Miracles take a bit longer.
Und Wunder dauern ein bisschen länger.